we're continuing with our cockpit flows here. We've just started our engine. We've completed our engine start check. We've turned the avionics on, and now we're ready to do our pre-taxi check. Pre-taxi check is going to start with fuel status set and noted on the PFD engine system, and resetting our fuel to the fuel that we had determined from the pre-flight inspection. Compass and HSI heading 314 and 306. They're close, they're within tolerances. We expect some deviation here on the ramp because of the concrete and the rebar and everything else like that. Altimeters, we got our altimeter from ATIS, and we'll set our altimeter setting to the current altimeter setting. 02 and 3002 set on the PFD and the standby. Flight plan. We come over to the MFD. First thing we're going to want to do is check our aviation database dates, August 23rd, so that's good. Enter or rightmost soft key gets us there. Our flight plan, selecting the flight plan. Flight plan page 2 is where we can get any of our stored flight plans. If we haven't stored a flight plan, then we can enter in the flight plan from flight plan page 1. GPS receivers, checking the GPS receivers. Going to the auxiliary page. Is going to get us our GPS receivers, and we're going to check GPS 1 and GPS 2. They're all giving us good information. At this point here, we want to check our radios and displays. Our MFD is set and configured to for standards. Our PFD is set. We've got our inset map, and we would also pull up our flight plan on the PFD. Flaps, we're going to retract the flaps from the pre-flight inspection. Mixture lean. We are going to lean our mixture for our taxi, set the throttle to 1000, lean the mixture until we get a 20 RPM rise, and then set the throttle appropriate for taxiing speeds. So our mixture is leaned, taxi light as required. During night operations, we're going to turn that taxi light on, and then we're going to check with our checklist, pre-taxi check. Status set and noted, compass and HSI checked, altimeter set, flight plan loaded, GPS receivers checked, radios and displays set, flaps retract, mixture lean, taxi light as required, and brakes checked. So now we're going to put it on the toe brakes, release the parking brake, and roll forward slightly, and just nice and smoothly put your feet on the brakes, stop the airplane, make sure the feet brakes work, and now we are ready to roll.